This is a very interesting RestoMod of a 1936 Cord 810 Westchester four-door sedan. And Cord made a couple models of this type. They also made a convertible, and they were famously branded as coffin nose because the hood resembled that of a coffin. As you can see, the dash has completely been restored and modified to include aftermarket air conditioning. The drivetrain has been updated to the Chevy crate engine and 4-speed overdrive transmission, automatic of course. Beautiful, very light green color, and we have the hidden headlights have been kept. They're in the closed position right now, and we have a description of what's been done to the car on this plaque that's below it, so you can check that out. It has all the modern conveniences, including power windows and power brakes and all that kind of thing. And it looks original. They have kept it very nicely updated, and yet it still gives you the flavor of the original car. Notice the upholstery, how nice that is. Of course, the modern steering wheel and the automatic transmission there. And there you see the crank for the hidden headlamps. You turned that and the headlamps flipped up so that you could turn them on. And a split back window, which was very popular at the time. Very cool.